Hey guys, look at this. This is the new 992 GT3 RS. Here, unveiling at the coil during the Monterey Car Week. Look at this aero right here. The aero on this car is insane. Look at the side fender and interior. Very cool. They even got this on the roof and massive wing. Love it. It's running the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s. Very nice. Look at that, rare. And look how wide this car is. Everything is just aerodynamics and function and downforce. I think it's gonna be faster than the GT3 RS, or it may be close to that time on the Nürburgring. Very cool. It's a bold choice for Porsche to pick a green accent on a white car, but I think it works out pretty well. Now, if they can come up with a manual, that would be epic. Massive brakes. 275, 35, 20 at the front. 335, 30, 21 at the rear.
I was shocked when I saw this. I'd seen pictures of it online.
And to save weight, the logo is a sticker or painted on the hood.
A real one-of-one. I think we were all blessed to see it out.